This is the Victorinox Swiss Army Women's number 241053 Vivante Silver Guilloche dial watch. It is a all stainless steel watch. The case diameter is 28 millimeters. The case thickness is 10 millimeters. The stainless steel band is 15 millimeters wide. The movement is Swiss quartz, and the water resistant depth is 99 feet or 30 meters. It has a screw down case back, and as you can see, the quality of the stainless steel is very nice. The links move very nicely. It has the date function at the 6 o'clock position. This is not a perpetual calendar watch, so you would have to reset it from time to time. As of this taping, this watch goes for around $300 on Amazon. So it's a nice looking woman's watch. It's a very high quality, and might be right for someone you know.